Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, we have given a uniform disk of radius r and it lies in a xy plane with its center at the origin. We have given its moment of inertia about the axis x is equals to 2r and y is equals to 0 is equals to the moment of inertia about the axis y is equals to d and z is equals to 0. Now we have to find the value of d. So as we have given that axis passing through x is equals to 2r and y is equals to 0 is in perpendicular direction. So moment of inertia will be given by that is I1 is equals to half of mr square plus m into this is 2r whole square. So we will get this is 9 by 2 mr square. We can show it by diagram also. So this is our object and this is the y-axis. Sorry, this is our x-axis. This is the y-axis and this is the line we have given, that is y is equals to d and z is equals to 0. This is the point here which is x is equals to 2r and y is equals to 0. This distance is actually 2r. Now in the second case, when x is passing through y is equals to d and z is equals to 0, moment of inertia is given by, that is I2 is equals to half mr square plus m into d square. As we have given that both the moment of inertia are equal, so given that I1 is equals to I2, so we can say that this is 9 by 2. We can say that 9 by 2 mr square is equals to this is half of mr square. Sorry, this is not half, this is 1 by 4th actually. So this is 1 by 4 of mr square plus md square. Now I'm going to solve this. So we will get, after solving, d is equals to under root of 17 by 2 r. So this is the answer of our given question and we can say that for that correct option is choice B. Thank you.